I'm escaping the heat of this hell-scorching heat from JJ Market. It just really decreases your appetites because you don't feel like you really hungry when it's too hot outside. You just feel like your body is trying to preserve your original energy. So it's lunchtime, I think it's lunchtime. No, it's not. It's like in the afternoon. Anyway, I'm gonna go get something to drink. Place where I will go every time that I come to JJ, so I'm gonna take you guys there. It's kind of a local. I never see a foreigner there, but it was like one of the best places to get Thai food in JJ Market, so you can't miss out. I am here, and that's the back of the restaurant that I was telling you about on the JJ Market. Excited, hungry, very hungry. I think I'm gonna order pai jiao musap, which is like pork omelette, tom yum squid, and 2 rice with stir fry pak bung and 2 water bottles. I'm getting my first matcha of the day. It's Sunday today, and I'm at White Bread, so this is really close to home. Yay! Gonna get some food this week. I think it's gonna be memorable, actually. Standing across from the place that I think I'm gonna try. It's called Harvest Restaurant, Rustic and Wholesome in Sukhumvit 31. Right over there. My favorite is crab, but I'm allergic to crab, but it's worth it. This part is very crispy, but you can eat it whole. you dip with the sauce. The sauce is like spicy and kind of like juicy.
Hi, đi.
Like,อร่อยมากเลยแม่
อะไร
อันนี้คืออะไร
อันนี้ต้องเอาน้ำร้อนใส่
อันนี้คือใส่ อันนี้คืออะไรอ่ะ
ฮะเวน่าจะกินอันนี้ได้เมื่อกี้มันกินเปล่า
อันนี้
ๆ
อ
เอา
ร่อย
นี้ใส่เอานี้ใส่นะกินให้เต็มที่เลย